Right now, as we speak, your security is already compromised. Attackers are using AI, intelligence that adapts and bypasses your defenses. Welcome to the future of cybersecurity, AI-driven firewall. Forget outdated firewalls and traditional security measures. AI-powered security anticipates and neutralizes threats before they happen, with zero human intervention. Threats won't stand a chance. AI security is proactive, making it impossible to predict. It evolves in real time, enforcing continuous verification. Before AI security, breaches were detected only after data was stolen. Now, threats are isolated and eliminated instantly. Hackers are evolving faster than your defenses. If you are not using AI to fight AI, you have already lost. AI security isn't easy. It requires enterprise-grade engineering and must be custom-built for your infrastructure. I create intelligent defense mechanisms that can outthink and bypass threats. Don't stay vulnerable. Let's evolve with AI-driven security. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this, as it helped me keep motivated.